Finally guys, in the newest Premiere Pro version 23.1, they released two very important updates. The first one is the masking, and the second major update is that you can animate subtitles in Premiere Pro. So instead talking, let me better show you those updates. In the older Premiere Pro version, usually when you select the pen tool to create the mask and wanted a closer look to the object you want to mask, you could have zoomed in only to 400%. And then when you start creating the mask, you would have seen those two little arrows to appear every time when you wanted to create a dot near to the previous one, which was so annoying and making the masking in Premiere Pro a nightmare. But on new update, the first thing they changed is that now you can zoom in to 1600% for more detailed masking. But in this case, I'll zoom in to 200, then I'll go and select the pen tool to create a mask and start creating a mask around the face. And as you can see, it's so easy. And it feels like I'm creating a mask in Photoshop or even After Effects. It's so smooth, and those two little arrows are not here anymore to prevent you creating a perfect and detailed mask in Premiere Pro. Going to the second update, I have already created my subtitles, and if you don't know how to create one, you can check the link in the description down below. Now to animate the subtitles, you can select them, go up to graphic and titles and select upgrade captions to graphics. And this have converted the subtitles into graphic layers. So I'll go to effects and use one of the film impact transitions. In this case, it's going to be the glitch transition. I'll quickly drop them onto the graphic layers and come with the final result. So when I play the video now, we've got the first animation, bzz, we've got the second animation, bzz, and now we're gonna have the third animation. Bzz. Honestly, it looks really cool, and I can't wait to start creating animated subtitles with this new update. So let me know what you think about these updates in the comment section down below, and also let me know what you think about my hairstyle, because it seems like I've got less hair than at the beginning of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.